हर संडे होते हैं मैथ्स का एक तो है कौन सा चैप्टर बहुत चैप्टर्स हैं सभी समझने पड़ेगा क्या है संडे नेक्स्ट कब है मैं ट्यूसडे को तो क्या है ट्यूसडे को कौन सा डेट है मैं बना दी एग्जाम में शायद और भी हिस्ट्री का बना दी क्या है बोलते हैं तो मेरा बोलते मेरा बोलते ओह अच्छा लेवल बोलने लगे इसके बर्थडे में 3 लेवल आते हैं लेवल का परिवार की आज 8 है अरे वाह मेरे को तो 9 में 6 दिख रहा है आज 8 ही 7 है ये वाला तो सही है आज कितने मेरे को भी साइन करना है नॉट इंटरेस्ट वो हिंदी में क्यों साइन थी सॉरी सॉरी क्या ना पागल उन्होंने ऐसे ही है प्लीज साइन करें तो जरा करके साइन दे दो क्या बोल के आते हैं ए बी ये बस कुछ करूँगी तो बहुत बेसिक निकालने वाले आते हैं मेरे बैठने कोई बताएगी जो बैठने इससे बात करने मेरी क्यों जरूरत है ओके कोई ना पढ़ाई को चेक बात कर रही हूँ मैं चल तो बात नहीं कर रही बात नहीं कर रही है अगर नहीं उसको यूज करने में बल्कि मेरे से मैसेज करती है और वो देख रही है कि वो गेस कर पाता है ईमेल क्या बोल दिया है ये मेरी क्या काफी ज्यादा लाइक करके देरी करती है क्या क्लास में फॉलो करती है और देखिए क्लास में तो इस प्रोजेक्ट को के बारे में आगे लड़का है बहुत अच्छी लड़की नहीं कौन सी triangle is midpoint. Yeah. Yeah. It's not. यारा बोली ना चलेंगे ना शॉप के अरे भाई इसमें इतना नंबर एक क्वेश्चन इतना लंबा है बस एक
Good evening to you all. Where are these three boys and one Manashwi girl?
खत्म हो गया उसका टाइम वेस्ट
Oh,
बस देख
English. Okay.
that's it
Adi, how are you? Good, na? Not tired today, na? Today holiday was there. Also, you enjoyed slept well, na? Not tired. Hello, how are you? Not tired, na? You're unwell? You're well? What is it? Well or unwell? Unwell, what happened to you? Cough. But you ate ice cream, no?
हाँ सर
Did you eat ice cream?
last week
Last week, today you didn't eat? Huh? What did you eat today?
ये वेदिका के साथ घूम रही थी सुबह ये टाइम था
Huh? Vedika, you're okay? Yes, ma'am, how are you? Where are you, these people? No idea. Where is your friend, the park? He did not message you? No new photos? No more new photos. Okay. Volume and solids we are discussing now.
first and already solved but it's still
One exercise more are there, na? Only one. Okay. Okay, now.
page number 79
In this exercise, we have done. How many
we have done
which question? We were discussing about identical cube. We discussed the
10 questions are done
then it's done. For the other five.
five of them
Satsena, how are you? Let's start now. Tough girl. All okay? Tough girl. Tough girl. Okay, do it the tough girl. Maybe don't you think. Oh, other than more down, she was shouting and screaming.
read us sir
Loudly read now. She was shouting now. Outside. Huh?
yes वेदिका
Read fast.
सर मैं पढ़ दूं क्या प्लीज read
End to end.
If the total surface area of a specific cuboid is 648 centimeters square, find the length of the edge of each.
Each edge of the cube, also ratio between surface area of the resulting cuboid and the surface area of a cube. Yeah.
sir 8:30 तक मिला lecture
That's the first. Let's reach 8:30, na? Time is there, na? 1 hour. No break, okay?
please sir
At 8:35, I'll give you a break.
नहीं वो तो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम ले लिया 6:30 तक है
आप तो एक
तो आप हम लोग को छोड़ देना 25
चलो listen. So four identical cubes are made. If you take the edge of the cube, length of the cuboid will be 4a, breadth will be a, and height will be a. Are you followed? Cube's length only changes. So right, let the edge of the cube is equal to a. Let edge of each cube is equal to a. Edge of each cube is equal to a. Therefore, length of cuboid is equal to 4a. Or a, or cube na, then breadth is equal to a, height is equal to a. Height is height is equal to a. TSA is equal to 648 centimeter square. TSA is equal to 648. We know TSA formula 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Replace 648 equal to 2 times 4a into a 4a square. A into a square, 4a into a 4a square. A length into breadth is on J is on 4a into a na. Okay. Therefore, how much 648 equal to 2 into 9a square. Therefore, a square is equal to 6. Why you late, my dear? 2 into 9. Yes. Where is Nishant? No idea. Cancel. 3, 2, 4. Cancel. This is coming as how much? 9 3s are 27. 9 6 are. Therefore, a square is equal to 6. A is equal to 36. A is equal to 6. Edge of the cube is equal to 6 centimeter. Hello? Follow? Not follow? Now, next, we have to find out the ratio of the total surface area of the cube to that cuboid. Okay, so like TSA of cuboid is equal to 18a square now, and TSA of cube is equal to 6a square. Therefore, ratio equal to 18a square divided by 6a square. It is equal to 3 upon 1, 3:1. Look over here, I did not put the value. If you want to calculate, you can calculate. This is 18a square and this is equal to 6a square. Or 648 divided by 6a square also you can do 216. Anyway, you can do it. Okay. Are you followed up here? Okay. Huh? क्या हो गया? ये online people are Swastika is there. Swastika. What if he doesn't properly? Who is Swastika? Maybe. Start. Okay. Chalo, next question. Anika.
A rectangular container whose base is a square of 5 centimeter contains sufficient water
हमारा मोबाइल नंबर क्या है?
submerge a rectangular solid 8 centimeter into 3 centimeters. Find the rising level of the water in the container when the solid is
Are you followed anything?
बोला है कि एक बार लेंथ वेदर हाइट दिया है और फिर उसमें हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है कि जैसे पानी था जिसमें हमने वो स्क्वायर डाला 12 सेंट
Square or cube? Or square? Base is a square and
Cube.
huh? Array read don't hello.
centimeter.
At a square A, 12 centimeter A, don't do all these things, drama. You read question once again so that we will come to know. Sir, read. क्या हो गया? Sign, it is where the attendance sheet.
Me too.
So go and office and sign. Read once again, Anika Tiwari.
A rectangular container whose base is a square of 12 of 8 seconds.
हाँ. हाँ.
Of size 12 centimeter, containing sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid centimeter into 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Find the rise in the level of the water in the container with the
So then you what you are explaining is not that way. मैं बोल रही हूँ what बोल रही हूँ length इतना है breadth इतना है height इतना है और नहीं किसमें अटल ना किसमें हाँ हाँ
पानी है
हाँ
rectangular
rectangular piece
cuboid
cuboid अरे लोग यहाँ look stop now all of you quiet. This container, what is the base of the base is a square. So it contains sufficient water. How much water? Sufficient water to this submerged one cuboid. Dimension to the cuboid is given. Length, breadth and height is given. Now base is coming as a square. That means side into height will be okay. Then when you drop the cuboid, what happens? Level of the water raises. Suppose if this was the level, it raises till here. What is the height of the water raise? Huh? V1 minus V2.
Sir, just
Yes.
sorry, sir.
So, what is the raise of the level in water? So, when you raise, water is increased means the water inside the container is also in the shape of the container, that is cuboid. So, volume of the water raised is equal to volume of the solid. Then when it is, look here, if this water is in this container, it is the shape. So radius will remain same, height will be varies. See, if this water is here, means this height. Water is here, this height. Water is still here, this is the height of the water. If the water was still here, then it contains the water height is still here only. Are you followed? So suppose it was now before solid kept over here, the water was still here. After solid, the water is here. This much is the volume of the water raised. That is equal to volume of the solid. What will be the volume of the water raised? Base, side into side. And height we had to find out is equal to volume of the solid. Basic concept is clear. First step right. Volume of the water raised is equal to volume of water raised is equal to volume of water raised is equal to volume of the solid. Water raised is equal to volume of the solid. SOLID. Solid.
The solid that is getting.
That is immersed. Volume for solid immersed. If you want to write immersed, also write immersed. Okay, equation 1. Okay. Then below for water raised. For what side? For water raised. The water raised. Okay, base is a square. Base is a square. Of side how much? 12 centimeter. Base is a square of side 12 centimeter. Let h be the height of water raised. Let h be the height of water raised. Water raised. Therefore, volume of water raised is equal to 12 into 12 into h centimeter cube. Volume of water raised is equal to base square 12 into 12 into h centimeter cube, which is equal to 140 for h centimeter cube. Condition number 2. Next, for the solid, L is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. B is equal to 6 centimeter. H is equal to 3 centimeter. L, B and H. Did you write? Therefore, volume of solid is equal to LBH. It is equal to 8, how 150 to 8 into 6 into 3. How did you get 8 6 are 48 into 3 is here. Why 152? 48 to the 144 centimeter cube. Put the values directly writing 8 into 6 into 3 at least centimeter cube. That is the third condition. These are centimeter cube. You know how to make cube. Did you write? Yes or no? Therefore, 144 H is equal to 144. Volume of water is 144 H, no? And H is equal to 144. Therefore, H is equal to how much? 144 divided by 144 is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, height of the water raised is how much? 1 centimeter. Are you followed or not? Water raised. What happened here? Becomes only 1 centimeter raised. That's why. Next. So, next I will inverse you. Let's see now. The point run off the straight line. Fast run now. Run now. Who is feeling hot? What's it feeling? You have one more jacket you are feeling hot. You are running around there na? With this JV. I know. Okay, are you followed? Okay. We are from where? Hyderabad, Allahabad. UP where? Lucknow Valley. Both the Lucknow Valleys. Okay, done all of you? Followed, what is the meaning? Okay, question number. That is the question number which one? 12. Are we following? Now, these all questions you have to think, use your brain, something hai na, that you have to use it. You are why you're looking maybe you don't have a brain. Okay, next, Vedika.
A field is 120 meters long and 50 meters broad. A tank 24 meters long and 10 meter broad and 6 meter deep is dug anywhere in the field. And the earth taken out from the tank is evenly spread out the remaining part of the field. Find the rise in the level of field.
Are you followed? What is the meaning? There is a field. Yes.
There is a field in which there is a hole dug out. So
What is the shape of the hole?
Cuboid.
Then what happened?
It was 6 meter deep, and the amount of dirt which was taken
Hey,
out was
Amount of dirt, amount of earth.
amount of earth.
Earth means what? Soil.
Soil. Yes.
Remote is.
Remote is spread evenly across.
What is the meaning of spread evenly?
Means there is
Equally, uniformly spread. Then, where is it spreading?
on the remaining part.
Remaining part of the field. If it is this part, it is I mean not inside. Remaining part. Then,
So we have to find the height increased.
height of water, height of the
Height of
level
the
raised in the field. How do you find out? What is spread? Soil. That soil will remain same, no? Volume of earth removed is same as volume of the spread or the earth spread in the field, no?
Yes.
Area of the field and plus two. How can the area and volume can be added? Adding volume of the field, then how will you add? Not the area and adding of volume. First is where it is spreading. Remaining part. So that means you have to find out what is the area where the field earth is spread. So here, look here. This is the field. What is the length and breadth of the field? Length and breadth of the field, nobody is telling.
Length is 120 meter long.
120 meter long.
50 meter.
Huh?
50 meter.
50 meter. And there is a pit is made over here. What is the length and breadth of the pit?
24
24 meter and 10 meter depth is given. This is the pit. Then, okay. Then, is it earth is spread over here? Inside it is not spread, no? Earth is spread in the remaining part.
Yes.
So, with what part it is earth is spread? Area to which earth is spread. Soil is spread is equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the field. Means 120 into 50 minus 24 into 10. That much area only earth is spread. That multiplied by height, that is the volume of the earth spread, is equal to volume of the pit. Are you followed? Are you followed? Something you got. So it's a uniform one. Area spread multiplied by height is equal to volume of the pit. So right, first is right. Volume of the earth spread. Volume of the earth spread. Swastika, are you there? Earth spread. Earth spread means soil spread. Volume of earth spread is equal to volume of pit. Volume of the pit. Okay. Written. Next. Area of field. Is condition not field. Area of field is equal to length into breadth. How much? 120 into 550. 6,000 meters square. This much area we are not spreading now. Then area, base area of the pit. Base area of pit is equal to 24 into 10. That is equal to 240 meters square. Next, area to which earth spread. Earth means for soil. Area to which earth spread is equal to 6,000 minus 240. 5760 meters square. That monkey, this one, who? What is that girl? What is the girl? And she said, don't ma'am, don't put the lecture here, don't put the lecture here, I can't go. And that fool did not come. If she doesn't want to come, why she has to tell all these things? If people should have said, you don't come, then why are you telling? Did you tell anyone? You are scared of her, no? Then let the height of the level raised is equal to h meter. Height of the field raised is equal to h meter. Therefore, volume of earth spread is equal to area multiplied by height. 5760 h meter cube. Second condition. Now next is pit. What is L? 24 meter. Breadth 10 meter. What is the depth? Height 6 meter. Therefore, volume is equal to LPH. 24 into 10 into 6 meter cube. Third condition, if you want to multiply, multiply. Therefore, from the condition 1 to 1 equate both the volumes you got. Therefore, 5760 H is equal to 24 into 10 into 6. Therefore, H is equal to 24 into 10 into 6 divided by 5760. 1 0 is cancelled. Further cancellation, do it and check what you are getting. Are you followed or not following? Tiwari is not telling anything. What Tiwari? The baby, ask what happened to girl. Engineer follow her, okay, otherwise she getting cards. NSC is not there now actually.
The rest of the husband, okay.
So I think. Don't correct. I will get the answer, don't do that. Cancellation can't do, that's why. Oh. You also. 4. 1 by 4. 24, 24s are. 6 4s are 1 by 4. This is meter. That is 100 by 4 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Are you follow all of you? Anika. Oh, Anika. Oh. Debu. Are you follow? Sure. Debu.
We have to put the sentence.
Huh?
Sentence.
Sentence ki basic, at least some pages. Something you have to write now. Or this is completely not you to write, but at least some statement you have to write, okay? What is equal to what? Then only you will get idea now. Okay, see it is what is the area multiplied by height, that is the volume. Chalo. Saxena, read the next question. Question number 14.
3 equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. Find the ratio of the total surface area of the resulting cuboid to that of the sum of the total surface area of the 3 cubes.
What is going on there? Standard. Did you hear to standard? Bring your notebook here. Volume also. Remove that. Come here. Then go and sit in the front bench. Next 3 must be there. So 3 adjacent cubes. Answer carefully. This one. Right. Let the edge of each cube. Let the edge of each cube. Array. Let the edge of each cube is equal to a centimeter. Let the edge of each cube is equal to a centimeter. Therefore, TSA is equal to 6a square. TS total surface area, what is the formula? 6a square. Next, TSA of 3 cubes is equal to 3 into 6a square. 18a square. Are you followed? Now, next, for the cuboid, what will be length? When 3 cubes are kept, what will be the length? 3a. Breadth will be a. The same question we have done already. Are you followed? 3 cubes are kept, A and A, 3a. Therefore, TSA. What is the formula? 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. All of you find out what is it. Find out how much. LB and H, everything is done. How much in terms of A? Hmm.
7a square.
Wrong. 214a square na?
20. There is some sir.
Someone then into 2 you should tell na?
Okay, sir.
3a square plus a square plus 3a square. That is 2 times 7a square, 14a square. Then, got it. Then, what is the what ratio in it?
The sum.
Ratio of surface area of cuboid to the surface area of cube. Right. Ratio of surface area of cuboid to total TSA of 3 cubes.
Sum of
TSA of 3 cubes is equal to 14A square divided by 18A square. Cancel. Cancel and 7 upon 9. The ratio is 7:9. Be careful while doing the answers. Okay. What ratio you have to take? Previous question it is only cuboid to 1 cube. Here it is cuboid to sum of the areas of 3 cubes. Hope you all are following. Done. Okay now. Next question. Voice side. Completed Tahir. Then read the next question. Okay sir, nahi. Question read.
The length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 38 centimeters and the length of the diagonal is 22 centimeters. Find the surface area of the cuboid.
Hello. Sum of the, so we are, what is the question? Sum of the length, breadth and height. What the meaning of sum of the length, breadth and height? L plus B plus H. So right. L plus B plus H is equal to how much? 38 centimeter. Diagonal is equal to how much is given? Length of the diagonal?
Is 22 centimeters.
22 centimeter. That is root of L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 22. Squaring, root will go on. Squaring we get L square plus B square plus H square. 22 square. You know how much is 22 square? Let's find out. Wrong. Hey, Vedika,
Sorry.
22 square.
484.
484. So L square plus B square plus H square is 484. Now what do you need to find out? What do you need to find out? Total surface area of the cuboid. What is the total surface area of the cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. We have two conditions. Which are two conditions? L plus B plus H is there and L square plus B square plus H square. So how do you get? Huh? How do you get Q into LB plus BH plus H square? Root. Do you know identity of A plus B plus C whole square? Forgot. A square plus B plus C you will get from me. A square plus B square plus E square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Yes or no? Then 2 take as common automatically you'll get no. So look over here. L plus B plus H, the whole square is equal to L square plus B square plus H square plus 2 times LB plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LH. L plus B plus H we have 38, the whole square. L is equal to 484 plus 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Simplify and see. 38 square minus 484 is equal to TSA of cuboid. Calculate TSA of cuboid. Do it. Are you followed? Check the steps how it is done. Okay. Done it, yeah. ये दोनों बंद हो गए Good answer 960 960 860 96 this Vedika there is a sheet like here we every time you make one mistake huh shall I do it what is 38 square you got 1444 or 1344
4 1 triple 4
1 triple 4 minus 484 is equal to TSA. Therefore, TSA is equal to how much?
960
960. Etika, careless mistake is what is there? If 715 always you got washroom 715 and 735. Go and come back quickly. So this exercise over now.
yes it's 4 that's a
That satsam is the problem. Kitti chapter? Ah, that is the wrong one. I will exchange to be by chapter. Ah, 25 chapter. Hello. If you ask me, whatever is not over here, with this count you can get above 70 marks. Not only above 70, more than. The optionals are there. That's why I know. 38. Baby, baby's idea. Baby's layout. Okay now. Now. This next exercise contains quite a lot of different varieties of questions. Now you go home. Mommy comes. Who comes? I'll talk. I'll talk.
yes sir standing right
What time will you come? Mommy comes to pick you up? 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'll tell her to come over here and see what she's doing. Okay. You will also watch you down. Okay. I'll call her.
yes
Oh, mommy also will sit and do this. Mommy will do. If you see these all, she will come and slap you. I'll call. I'll tell them, Madam sits down. And these girls, mommy comes there. Now listen all of you. The next chapter, next exercise is mainly based on uniform solids. Do you know what is the meaning of uniform? Did I explain that one? Uniform solids. Look here. Over. Done. Over. First you drink and after that I'll tell. LF show whose is important? Okay, he has to bring and you bring. Okay. Then what happens? Running late, professor. Okay. Yes. So finish it up and then do look here. Let me look here. This one if you look this way. What is this one?
Cylinder.
On the top, same circle. It's a uniform solid. Means, you know what is the meaning of cross section? Crossing parallel to the plane. Same circle will come.
Yes.
Anywhere if we cross same circle will come. Such solids are called uniform solid. Are we followed or not?
Yes.
If you see the hand, is it uniform? No. Thickness less, more and always coming. Okay. Over here, this bottle see, is it uniform?
No.
No. Still here it was uniform and after that it's reduced. Are we followed or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, here, if you look over here,
Yes. Yes.
it's a uniform. See,
Yes.
this one and this one. It is uniform different ways. This side and this side same uniform this way. Or if you see this cross section, this is uniform. Whereas over here it is uniform, here this way will be uniform. Suppose if I slide this way, it will not be uniformly. Are you followed? Some of them is uniform at one place only. Okay, that is called cross section. This is called the length. Okay. My point. It's if you look at this side, it's a uniform, but if you look at side, it's not a uniform one. Understood or not? Okay. Now, this one by one, I will explain to you. There is one important one will come swimming pool one. When it comes swimming pool. Ice cream cone, you know. Coordinator. Basic. So, is it uniform?
No.
No, it's coming here. So, okay. Are you followed? Here, is it uniform?
Yes.
And where?
No, sir.
It's not uniform. Cylinder. Is the uniform.
Yes.
Cubes, uniform.
Yes.
Cuboid, uniform. Okay. For a uniform solid, volume is equal to area of the cross section into length. Means base area into height. Understood or not? So write first formula. For a uniform solid, volume is equal to area of cross section into length. Area of cross section into length. Okay, which is same as base area into height. Which is same as base area into height. First you wrote area of the cross section into
Same as?
base area multiplied by height. That's enough or all? No.
Base area.
Base area into height. Base area into height. Written. Okay. Now, next is pipe and all, you know, what's pipe and all?
Yes.
Water is discharging, water is flowing the uniform speed. How much water discharged? That is same as area of cross section into the speed, means rate. Have you followed? So right. Volume of water discharged. Volume of water discharged is equal to volume of cross section into rate. Volume of cross section into rate. Okay, understood or not? Take the cross section into rate. Done. These are rate means you know the speed at which rate is 2 km per hour, 3 km. Okay, but before applying this one, all the units should be same. Everything is in kilometer, or everything is in meter, or everything is in centimeter. What is the unit of volume? Cubic units, meter, cube, centimeter. Did I give the conversion of liter? Conversion of liter. Yes or no? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. 1000 liter. Yes or no? 1 meter is equal to 1 kiloliter. These all things are given now. Okay. With the help of this one, we are going to do the next exercise. Even the same 7 questions are there. Let's try to complete it now today. If possible.
Sir, 1 hour left.
1 hour left, but it takes time. Discussions. Okay. Yes. I'm going to read chapter number.
Sir, page number 81.
Page number 81.
81. 80.
Page number 81. Who is going to read?
Sir.
Huh? Oh.
The following figure shows a solid of uniform cross section. Find the volume of the solid. All measurements are in centimeters. Assume that as all angles the figure are right angles.
Have you seen anything you have look like?
Yes.
What? What does it look like?
TD.
Huh?
TD, yeah.
ED, sofa, sofa set is this way, no? Okay, you see one side of the. This girl is playing out.
The stairs.
Stairs means one stair, okay, this one. Or sofa is there, no? This side and this side is there, no? Different types of sofa. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now over here. So what will be the look here? This is a cross section. What will be the area of the cross section? What will be the area of the cross section? You can do this one by two methods. You can make it to 2 cuboids and add the volume. Otherwise, what is the shape of the cross section? The L shape, have you seen the cross section? Nobody is responding. See, cross section side, I will make it. Okay, this is the cross section. How much is this one? 9. This is how much? 3. This is how much? Tell na?
6.
6. 6.
3.
3.
9.
9. You have to find out this area of this cross section. How will you find out? You can, if I draw this way, you will get 2 rectangle now.
Yes.
What is the area of this rectangle? What's the area of this rectangle? 9, 3 into 9. What is the area of this rectangle? 6 into 3. 9 is this much. Add both of them. Now, do you know what is the uniform length? Check the other dimension. Something is there, no other dimension. 4. Have you seen a 4 over there? That is a uniform length. So, area of cross section multiplied by the uniform length. That will be the volume. Are you followed? Yes or no? So, right. Shape. There, right. The cross section is as shown in the figure. Draw this figure. What is she doing? Oh, this much huge body may want cutting it proper. Don't do it and start again, start changing now. Leave it. After 2 minutes, it will be okay. What are you doing? Oh, I did not ask her, so I called this girl baby, no, she did not like it. Baby, what do you mean? Baby. Baby. Study and get good mark, okay? If you do it, this good time, this time good mark they will get. Then only 10th standard I see, very good people. Okay. I think if you get good marks, 10th standard, after things will be easy. If you do properly. Then you'll say, next year we'll see. Last year we were discussing this one, no, it's easy. That is why I'm telling you, practice properly. Okay, so written. Now, right, area of cross section is equal to area of cross section is equal to area of 2 rectangles of 2 rectangles.
is equal to 9 into 3 plus 6 into 3. How much? 45 centimeter square. Uniform length is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to area into uniform length. 400. How 405? 45 into 4. Huh? 180 centimeter cube. How 400 you got? I did nothing. For 180 centimeter cube. Are you followed? Oh, hello baby. It's not. Are you followed? Sure. Not followed. Are you tell na?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
that's the first question. Clear? Okay.
Translate.
Otherwise, you can find out this cuboid. Look here, this cuboid dimension 9, 3 and 4. The other cuboid also 6, 3 and 4. Find the sum of the volume of the two cuboids, LBH and LBH. Okay. Swastika, are you there? Still she's not there or she cannot be able to be. Anyone? His volume is down or what? If you are not able to hear your message now. No, it is volume is enough. Hello, Swastika. You are unable to hear message. Not responding. These people are telling you are not responding. Question number 2. Done all of you? Okay. What is in between? Don't talk no. Chalo, leave it now. Oh, Tiger Baba. What are you talking? Nothing talking. How can you talk nothing? Okay. Next, second question. Baby Sinna. Baby Smita. Oh, Momos. What is this? You are selling the Mona. Momo. What? Momo. Mona, na? Mona. Okay, read. Second question. Read little loudly. Loudly read now, don't worry. Don't think about others. Don't make fun, okay? Shallow and deep and are
1.5 meter and 3 meter deep, respectively.
Oh.
If the bottom of the pool slopes uniformly, find the amount of water the meters required to fill the pool.
full. Listen. Have you all seen the swimming pool? Yes or no? From the top, if you see what is the shape of the swimming pool? Rectangle. Have you gone inside the swimming pool? Yes, of course, all of you. Yes or no? There is two sides are there. One is baby side and the deep side. Baby side means shallow side. Yes or no? One side is depth is more, other side is depth is less. Is it the swimming pool is a cuboid? If it is a depth, if both the side depth was same means it was a cuboid.
Yes.
Are you followed or not? That much is clear. Now listen carefully. From the top, if you see means length of the pool is 40 meter, breadth of the pool is equal to how much? 15 meter. Now look, imagine. Suppose this is the pool.
Then although you can see that.
Huh?
Passing.
5 minutes. Acha, listen. Suppose this is the pool. From the top you see means this is 40 meter and this is 15 meter. You are inside the pool. This you are standing at the shallow side. So what is how much water is there? How much water is there? 1.5 meter, let's say up to here. Then you walk towards that side. What happened? Water level increases and you will sink. Yes or no? Understood or not? Water level increase and yes or no? Agreed or not? Suppose if we stand over here and if I walk this way the pool, what will happen?
It will remain.
Water level remain the same. Are you followed or not? If I walk this way, the water level remain the same. Whereas if I walk this way, water level is increasing. Clear or not? This much is clear. The swimming pool contains how many walls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This wall is a rectangle. This is 15 meter and this is 1.5 meter. That is also another rectangle. 15 meter and 3 meter. Imagine. Now look over here. This is how much meter? This is how much? 1.5 meter. This is how much meter? 3 meter. This is how much? 40 meter. What is this length? This bottom length is how 40?
Because the top and bottom.
Are a top and bottom is a rectangular what? This is not rectangular. From here it is going down this way now. So this wall is coming, side wall is coming. This is 1.5 meter. And this is equal to 40 meter. Yes or no? And this side is how much? 3 meter. And this is the shape of the side wall. Yes or no? This is what is the shape of this one? What is the shape of this one? Trapezium. Parallel sides and distance. Yes or no? Check this side wall. Same thing or not? 1.4, 30 meter, this one. This trapezium and this trapezium are same. That means these are two things, equal things. That means this is the uniform cross section. And this is the uniform length. Are you followed? That is why when you move from here, this way when you are moving, it is what? The height remains the same. See, it is a trapezium. Here also is a trapezium. So every cross section this way taking, it is a trapezium. If I take this way cross section, take rectangle, but with different rectangles will come. This was a small rectangle when you go increasing and increasing. But this way taking, are you followed or not? Are something is following? Are speak. Therefore, this area of the cross section is area of this trapezium. What is the uniform length? That is the width of the pool. Is equal to width of the pool now. Therefore, how much? So the pool is how much? 15 meter now. What is the width of the pool? 15 meter now or 25 meter? 15 meter, 40 and 15. That is a uniform length. So find the area of this cross section multiplied by the uniform length. You will be good. Okay. Do you know how to find the area of the trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Half into 1.5 plus 3. 3 plus 1.5 is how much? 4.5 into 40 into half. 40, half of 40 is how much? 20. 20 into 4.5, 9. T. Okay, are you followed? Okay. So this you shape you draw. Not followed.
Your diagram, but I'm not able.
Diagram part, this what you check now. This is 1.5 meter. That is 3 meter. This is 40 meter. This is slope in this way now. That is this diagram. Even same thing also. Okay. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. So figure is drawn. This figure first you draw. Okay. Right. The swimming pool is a uniform. Swimming pool is a uniform solid. whose cross section is a trapezium. Swimming pool is a uniform solid whose cross section is a trapezium. Whose cross section is a trapezium as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. What are you doing? If you inside, what are you doing? You are standing inside or taking one on that. Area of cross section is equal to area of cross section equal to half times A plus B into H equal to half times 1.5 plus 3 times 40. This is cancelled 20. 4.5 into 20, 90 meters square. Are you followed? Okay. Below right. Uniform length is same as breadth of the pool. Uniform length is same as breadth of the pool is equal to 15 meter. Is it 15 meter? Uniform length is same as breadth of the pool, which is equal to how much? 15 meter. Therefore, volume of pool is equal to area of cross section multiplied by uniform length. That is equal to 90 into 15. How much? 90 into 15 is how much?
Sorry, so
190 into uniform length. 1/4. 1/4. Aryan, you people, I'll send you out from the class, okay? 15 into 9 is 145.
130.
130, another one.
350.
1350. Everyone is even simple multiplications also making mistake. Saxena, and one number it means teacher instead of 4 mark teacher will write one number as 0. Then teacher will tell I also take one number only. I was supposed to write 4, I wrote 0. Happy? This is maths doing, okay? Don't do one number. Maybe so इसमें how much meter cube? What happened? You did not write. Arey, I will tell now. What you wanted to tell us? Are you following? See how much time we are taking this swimming pool and all. 10 minutes are almost taken. Yes. Good. So we'll send you the swimming pool. Okay. Now it is not the final answer. Little more. What is it? Convert into liters. Only convert into liters into 1000. So how many zeros will come? 135 and 000. That's much liters. So how much? 13 lakh 50,000 liters.
बेटी का कुछ हो गया.
बेटी का क्या हो गया? All okay?
Yes.
What happened? Sure.
Yeah.
No problem. All of you stand up. Okay. Suppose in a day how many liters of water you can drink? 8 liters of water she drinks.
That's what.
2 liters of water. 2 or 3 liters. Okay. Water. Okay. Suppose if Anika is drinking the water of this pool,
Yes, sir.
how many days required to finish this water?
1 month.
1 month it finish. How many days? In a day, she drinks 2 liters. How many days? Divide by 2. Do you know? If you're dividing by 2, do you check 135 and how many zeros? 4 zeros divided by 2. How much will come? 6, 7, 5. How many zeros? 6 lakh. How many 5 days? 75,000 days. You know? How many days is she needed? 6,75,000 days. In a day, in a year, how many days are there? 365. Imagine 675 divided by 365. Cancel. 7, 5 star, 73. This is coming as 137,000. Divide. If you divide it, 137,000 divided by 73. This is coming as 173. How much? 4, 6, 640. 73 into how much? 7 6 are, 7 7s are, 7 8, 7 8s are how much?
56.
7 9, 7 8s are, 8 3s are, for 24, 8 7s are, 54 plus 2, 56. Yes or no? Huh?
56.
Yeah, so 58 now.
Yes.
So subtract 10 minus 4, 6. Then 14 minus 9, 5. 14, 10 minus 4, 6. 13 minus 8, 5, no? 56. 5, 6, so this is 1. 5, 6, 0, 7. Therefore, 7 3s are how much? 21. Remainder, 7 7s are
41.
51 now. This is equal to 9. 5 minus 1, 4. 490. Yes or no? So, how much is coming as? 490 is coming as how much? 6 are. 6 3s are 18. 6 7s are 40. 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43. 438. So did you check what did you get? 1876. What years? How many years she need? 876 years. Will she survive in 1876 years? But oh. What is will be your age, approximate age, my life age? Maximum you can survive 80. 80, let's say 100 also forget. 1,800. Not possible, impossible to finish it of water now.
Yes.
You see amount of water, how much? Huge one. Now, look, ask you, please. I will start.
Company देगी next day.
You drink 1 2 liters, 3 liters, drink half liter, then things. Sit down. Okay. I was just showing. Go. I was just showing in a pool how much water is there. What some of these all not short pools only. 40 meter and 50 meter and short pools only. Big pools means what? 100 meter, 50 meter. How many liters of water? Huge quantities of water is there. Understood or not? Okay. What's playing out? Next question. This was question number which one? Second one. Kerala, did you read any question? No. Next, read.
Cross section of a diameter perpendicular to its length is a traversing or forward. Also given that AM is equal to 7 meters, equal to 5 meters. The height of the dial is 2 meters. The dial is 40 meters. Not calculated from the cost of the
Properly. These all things, you see, then you will not understand. So then explain. The tunnel, what is the tunnel? Have you traveled through the tunnel?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Now here, what is the cross section of the tunnel? Have you seen? You see the tunnels are coming, semicircle this way, na? It is different types of tunnels are there. You don't
It's not
listen.
necessary circle shape.
Huh? What? Array tunnel opening side only, then it is a uniform, it is go. It not necessarily straight, it can be curve and all, but it is uniformly goes. Agree for all? Here the opening of the tunnel is looks like a which one? Trapezium. That will be. Array the tunnel, this one here, cross section of the tunnel is given now. What is the cross section of the tunnel? Look like a trapezium A, B, C, D. Look, now this also. See, that is the thing, these all things. This is A, this is B, C, D, and there is a perpendicular drawn. This is M, and this is LF.
Yes.
You are not telling. Now read the question once again.
The cross section of a tunnel perpendicular to its length is a trapezium ABC shown in the following figure. Given that AM is equal to BM, AB is equal to 7 meters, CD
AB is equal to
7 meters,
AB 7 meter,
CD is 5 meters.
5 meter,
The height of the tunnel is 2.4 meters.
3.4 meter,
2.4.
2.4 meter.
The tunnel is 40 meters long.
So length of the tunnel is equal to 40 meter. Look here, this is 5 means this is also 5. These two are equal. And this is equal means this both will come as 1. Total is equal to 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1. Are you followed this much? No response.
Yes.
Okay, this one. Now, this is the cross section of the tunnel. Now, tell me this tunnel, how many walls are there?
4.
Which are the 4 walls?
Up, down, left, right.
Up, down, left. First one is a floor. Yes or no?
B.
This is a side wall. BC and CD is the top roof. Are you followed?
Yes.
Where is this girl?
I'm an obstacle.
Now,
Now this question has closer.
huh?
This question.
Sir, how much time you taking? Come fast. Look here. This is the cross section. This much is clear. Now, from here, there is a floor. Floor is which one? AB. 7 meter and long is 40 meter. There is a wall. AD. Measurement we don't know. There is a wall of length. You imagine this way. It is a cross section. You are going inside. Length is 40 meter. The top. This is how much? 5 meter. And the long is how much wall? 40 meter. There's another cross. This one wall. Same PC. How much? 40 meter and this one. Like that it is coming as. All of them are rectangle. These are rectangle, another rectangle, another rectangle, another rectangle. If you see this one. For this one to do, first you have to find out length of AD. Do you know how to find out length of AD? AD square is equal to AM square, Pythagoras theorem, plus MD square. AM square means 1 square plus 2.4 square. If I give the time, you will not do it. That is equal to 5.76. Adding it is 6.76. Therefore, AD is equal to root of 6.76. This is equal to 2.6. Therefore, BC also is equal to 2.6 meter. Are you followed this much? Okay. Now, what are the questions asked? What is the first part?
Surface of the tunnel explain. The floor at the rate of.
That means, Ajay, I exploring the at the rate of
5
₹5 per
square.
square meter. See, you don't need to paint the floor. This wall, this wall, this wall. So perimeter of the cross section means AD plus ED plus BC multiplied by the length of the cross section. That is the area to be painted. Okay. Area to be painted is equal to what? Perimeter of the cross section multiplied by the length. Uniform length. So first you write, make this one. Did you make? Then did you mark, right, calculated? Did you do this much? Bigger wrong. Write that much. Quicker. Takes time to see. Done. Others. Adya. Done now. Okay, do fast. When all completed, tell me, then I will continue. Done. No, I'm waiting. Oh baby, did you complete? Then you should tell now what she's doing there. Then you should tell her they completed. She said no, I'm waiting. Till she's looking there. Now, right. The length of the cross section is equal to 40 meter. Length of the cross section is equal to how much? 40 meter. Perimeter of cross section is equal to AD plus CD plus BC, which is equal to 2.6 plus 5 plus 2.6. And then tell me, because floor you don't need to do painting. That's why maybe is not added. 10.2 meter. Area of cross section. Area, surface area to be painted. Surface area to be painted is equal to perimeter multiplied by uniform length is equal to 10.2 into 40. 102 into 4, which 408 meters square. Anna, rate. What is the rate is given?
₹5.
5 rate per meter square. ₹5, 5. Therefore, total cost is equal to multiply 408 into 5. Answer 2040 rupees. Total cost is equal to 2040 rupees. I hope you all go followed. Okay. That is a condition. Now, next is second part.
The cost of paving the floor at the rate of ₹18 per meter square.
So area of floor is equal to AB into length. That is equal to 7 into 40, 280 meters square. And what is the rate per meter square? 18. Yes or no? 18 rupees. Therefore, total cost of paving is equal to 18 into 280. multiply. Others, 100. 28 and 18 multiply. 5040 rupees. है ना? What happened, Anika? You got this answer or not getting the answer? Good answer. Okay now, are you followed? Tunnel based question, all are different. What happened? Paving. Look at the question now, it's written everything now. Okay. This man. Tahir, are you followed?
Yes.
So we are done with the how many questions? 3 questions. Is all that is the full? Okay then. Next, then you people should tell now. It happened. Are you following now? Okay, next. Saxena. Was 5 into 5. Okay.
Centimeter square. There was 1500 liters of water in 5 minutes. What is the speed of water in meter per second through the pipe?
क्या हो गया? Why she's crying? Sleeping only. I'll make you to kneel down again, okay? Drama, please. Baby shows the drama. Now you start drawing shows the drama. Now, cos 5. Shh. What is the cos 5 cross section? What is the cos 5 cross section? 2 centimeters square. Delivers 1500 liters of water per minute in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, how much water? 5. 5 minutes, how much water? 1500. Therefore, in 1 minute, how much water delivered? 1500 divided by 5. 300. In 1 second, how much water? 300 by 60. 5. Yes or no? 5 liters of water delivers in 1 second. Liter is a unit of what? Volume. So volume of water, the volume of water delivers in 1 second is equal to how much? 5 liters. 5 liters is how many centimeter cube? 5 into 1000, 5000 centimeter cube. Volume of water in 1 second is equal to 5000 centimeter cube. We have volume is equal to area cross section into rate. I have given now rate of water discharge. So area cross section is how much? 2 centimeters square. So replace, so you will get rate of water. Okay, rate of water. Then rate of water you will get, then convert into whatever the units required. So right, volume of water in 5 minutes. Write down what's waiting. Volume of water in 5 minutes is equal to how much? How much? 1500 liters. Therefore, volume in 1 minute is equal to 1500 by 5, 300 liters. Next, volume in 1 second
5.
is equal to 300 by 60. Volume in 1 second is equal to 300 by 60. How much? 5 liters, which is equal to 5000. Sorry, 5 liters, which is equal to 5000 centimeter cube. 5000 centimeter cube. Friends, area of cross section is equal to 2 centimeters square. Right, area of cross section. Direct forms I am giving you. Area of cross section is equal to how many centimeters square? 2 centimeters square. You know, write the formula. Volume is equal to volume is equal to area cross section into rate.
Divided by 2 centimeter.
Volume is equal to area of cross section into rate. Therefore, rate is equal to 5,000 divided by 2. Volume divided by area. That's 5,000 by 2. How much? 2,500 centimeter. 2,500 centimeter convert into meter. Only convert. Divide by 100.
25.
25 meter. Therefore, rate per second, speed per second is equal to 25 meter per second. We needed meter per second, that is why I converted into meter. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
are you followed? So we have applied the basic formula is what? Volume is equal to area of cross section multiplied by rate. How much time it took? What is the
5
time?
minutes.
5 minutes. Completed this one.
Yes, yes.
First 5 question also all of you followed.
Sir.
Yes or no? What is the time now?
8:10.
8:10. Very good. Okay.
Very good.
Next, so we could do 4 questions. Break. And we may after break, Saxena will do all 3 questions.
I will do chapter end, sir.
Huh? After chapter end, let the chapter ends now first. Okay. Next question. Who is going to read?
Vedika.
Vedika.
The water tank measuring 80 centimeter into 50 centimeter into 60 centimeter.
Side.
Yes.
Wait. Come and sit this side. Other side. Playing only half the time. That's why it is disturbing the class and you are not listening also. Come and sit. Keep doing. Come and sit down. Go and sit. Here. Yes. Here. And go inside. Can you go?
Teacher is solution.
Can you go? Right, here.
Very good.
Okay. So read now.
A rectangular water tank measuring 80 into 60 inches.
Playing over here also. Don't touch my mobile, okay?
Seen from a pipe of cross section area 1.5 centimeter square. The water emerging at 3.2 meter per second. How long does it take to fill the tank?
Don't do this. What if I do means you get one for me, okay? Move to this side. Little more. That should reach, my hand should reach on your face.
Yes, sir.
How does we play with mommy all the time? Mommy helps us, you know? You got sister, no? Brother. Oh. That will be. Oh. Hello. Baby don't worry. Chalo. Thank you. All right, okay. God will lead you. Goodbye. Chalo. So here, what is the followed? What is the shape of the water tank?
Rectangular.
Rectangular means what? Cuboid. Length, how much? 80 centimeter. Right? 60 centimeter. Height is equal to 60 centimeter. We need to fill the. We need. Look and identify. These all questions come. We need to fill the tank. Okay. Then what is the question is asked? How you fill the tank? Through a pipe whose cross section is how much? 1.5 meter centimeter square. And water is moving at the speed of how much? 3.2 meter per second. 3.2 meter per second is 320 centimeter per second. How long it will take time? The time taken is equal to volume of the tank divided by volume of water discharged in 1 second. Right, first condition. Time taken is equal to volume of the tank divided by volume of water discharged in 1 second. Volume of the tank, are you following? Volume of the tank divided by volume of water discharged in how many seconds?
1 second.
Pushing my motor there. Volume of water discharged in how many seconds? 1 second. Okay, that means you have followed. Now we call this condition 1. Now, the next is for the tank, L is equal to how much? 80 centimeter. P is equal to how much? 60 centimeter. L is 80, 80. P is 60, 60. H is equal to 60, 60. Therefore, volume is equal to LBH. Volume is equal to LBH. Is equal to 80 into 60 into 60. Now we need to multiply 80 into 60 into 60 centimeter cube. Now I need to multiply each other. Leave as it is because cancellations are coming in. Now, next is for the pipe. For the pipe, area is equal to 1.5 centimeter square.
Area is equal to
One area of cross section. Area of cross section is equal to 1.5 centimeter square. Rate or speed, rate is equal to 3.2 meter per second. Meter per second, converted to centimeter,
320
is equal to 320 centimeter per second. Are you followed? 3.2 multiplied by 100, 320 centimeter per second. Therefore, volume of water in 1 second. Volume of water in 1 second is equal to area of cross section into rate. Area of cross section into rate. That which is equal to 1.5 to rate is equal to 1.5 into 320. You can remove the decimal which is equal to 50. Area of cross section into rate. What was the area of the cross section?
1.5.
What is the rate?
320.
So 1.5 into 320. Now multiplication. Non multiplication is equal to 15 into 32 centimeter cube. 15 into 32 centimeter cube. Therefore, time is equal to.
Multiply.
Now I need to multiply. If you are multiplying also, no problem. Don't waste your time. Rate is equal to.
Time.
Time is equal to volume of the tank. Rate is equal. Time is equal to. Did you write? Volume of the tank. Time. Volume of the tank divided by volume discharged in 1 second. Volume of tank is already written. Divided by volume in 1 second. Water discharge. What was it? Volume of the tank? What was above is written volume of the tank now? 80 into 60 multiplied by 60 divided by what is volume in 1 second? 15 into 32. Cancel now. Cancel and see how much that which seconds. No need to multiply. How much you will get? 8, 4 sir. This is 10. 15. 4 sir. 4 and 4 is cancelled. That is 600 seconds. 600 divided by 60. That is equal to 10 minutes. Okay, these are important types of questions. How will the question answer comes us? 10 minutes it takes.
So now 10 millimeter.
10 minutes, not millimeter. MIN.
So mm.
Right in you yourself right now. Did I tell you? Did you hear? If I give with you now, you can do it without seeing. Your problem finding is building it or not. Remaining can you find out? She's looking up. Devasmita will do it now. She promised. Can you do it? Huh? Tiwari. Oh Tiwari. She can also do it. Don't worry. Huh? Yeah. So now one by one. Now they come. So now who is left out? Now look here. If you go to washroom within 30 seconds, be here. Otherwise, I will make a class extend till 8:45. Already one girl to. Huh? Don't break the keyboard, okay? Playing with me on the. Hello? Move to this side. Little more. Baby, she's become naughty day by day. Why aunt is going there? Okay. Are you all followed? What is it? Method is clear or simply wasting the time only. How many questions you have done now?
Five.
5 or 6?
Five.
5 questions done. Able to do? Everyone. Come. Okay. 6 question. Adya read.
Swimming pool is 18-meter long and 8-meter wide. Its deep and shallow ends are 2 meter and 1.2 meter respectively. Find the capacity of the pool, assuming that the bottom of the pool slopes uniformly.
That's it now. Same question now. All of you do the question. We have done the similar question. So same question we did. Only units only different. All of you. I will not write. Everyone do what? Copying from behind only. Hmm. Do the question. You are doing sir. What doing sir? Quick. I'm waiting. Able to do or not able to do? Yes.
I got the answer.
One got the answer.
So you're also teaching Nehru, no?
You know someone in Nerul?
Yes.
Who?
Me.
Huh?
Me, Nikam.
Neil Nikam. Got the answer. Others waiting. Cross section figure drawn.
Yes.
Cross section is where did you write the steps and all? In the exam you write this way, teacher will not give anything. Okay, sir. What is these two lines? Nothing. Why you have drawn nothing? Compulsory don't draw it now. So you will write. Swimming pool is a uniform solid. The cross section is a trapezium as shown in the figure. Area of the trapezium, how much you got?
28.8.
38.8. What have you got? What is the parallel side? 1.2 and 2 is 3.2. And what is the length? 18. Half into 18. 9 into 2.8. 20. That is how much is that? 28.8 meters square. Okay. Uniform length is same as the width.
8 centimeter.
8 meter. Okay. Therefore, volume is equal to area of cross section multiplied by uniform length. How much you got? 2 230.4 meter cube. All of you got the answer? Yes or no? No. The question, did they ask you to write the capacity in liters or something? Check. Nothing. So just find the volume of the water in the pool capacity. So you leave it. Okay, if they ask you to do it, then only you do it. Otherwise, just leave as it is. Clear or not? Okay. Next one. Anika. You want to read? Okay.
The following figure shows the floor's victory stand. Focus dimension are given in centimeter if the bottom of the stand is open and find its volume and total surface area.
So there is a victory stand. You have seen victory stand now. First, second, third positions are there. Have you seen 3 positions are there? You have to find out the volume and the total surface area. Volume is volume of the air only. Okay. Here. So how will you get the volume? You have to find out what is the area of the cross section. First position, have you seen? What is the height of the cross section? Can you tell me? For the first position, 30 is there, and what is the height? Huh?
30.
It is wrong. 30 plus 30 will come 60.
Yes.
Are you following? Are you following or not? And for the second position, 30 into 30. For the third position, 30 into 4, how 40 is coming? 30 into 20. Are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, you have the height in the third position thickness. 20. Okay, 30 into 20. Then add all the 3, you will be getting area. What is the uniform length? 40. All are looking so tired. Huh? Then now we will discuss in the next lecture. Listen here. Please practice. Monday, na? Tomorrow no lecture, na? Huh? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. But then Wednesday maybe. Tomorrow no lecture, na? Okay. So practice. It will be. When is your exam, by the way?
17.
Starting. Yes, 17.
On 17.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
78.
Yeah.
Tell me here. 70 onwards, you have exam now. If you inform, you all of you inform or send message that we have exam, will not be able to come. Okay, मैंने कर दिया means all of you, whosoever is not coming, who is coming? You will come. Exam day comes, they will come. You, Hari. So if a majority are not coming, they will cancel the lecture, but you have to inform them.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so but in here, practice is very important. You have to practice the. Okay, not here.
Yeah, it has gone on.
You record that shit.